These 10 AI tools are going to save you hours every single day. Before we jump into this video, make sure you like and share it so more people can see it. I'll explain how you can take advantage of this to raise your income, so stay tuned. Welcome to That AI Ninja. Before we begin, on this channel, we'll demonstrate how to use cutting-edge AI to make quick money. To be notified when fresh and well-liked money-making strategies are posted, think about enjoying this video, subscribing, and clicking the notification button. Okay, thumbnail.ai is the top choice. With the use of AI, you can make free YouTube thumbnails and advertise YouTube on Facebook, Twitter, and other social media sites. Do a demonstration now. I'll create a thumbnail first, after which I'll type your title. Let's say I'm creating a TikTok video about how to grow. You can include a supplementary title if you have one in this place. If not, simply select Generate Thumbnails. You'll note that these thumbnails are rather simplistic. However, this is fantastic if you are a beginner or have a new channel. You're going to save so much time by doing this. I used to spend a lot of time making thumbnails when I first started my YouTube channel, but I no longer have to. So these are the various designs or concepts. You can alter the font. Therefore, I have the option to change the color. I also have the option of changing the background. So it's here. Okay, let's look at some various backgrounds. This one is currently chosen. Let's assume that I wish to alter it. This one I can handle. Although I prefer the other one more, there are still other options available. Additionally, there are various styles on the left side. Look at that and you'll see, oh, I like this word. As a result, you can sort through several styles and concepts to determine which one you favor. The typeface, colors, and background colors can all be modified once more. Additionally, you can do that through her channels if you want to change the orientation. So this was the top item. Let's now discuss the second tool, AI4biz.co. You frequently lack knowledge of how to apply AI to your business. Let's assume that this tool will provide you with some use cases on how to apply AI to your business in your area. So, assuming you are a real estate agent, click here, and I'll say real estate agency. Here are the various use cases after that, so that you can have chatbots that can predict maintenance needs and automate property value. Additionally, it provides you with some tools so you can use a website that is incredibly entertaining. Let's pretend I am a social media professional. Here are some examples of different AI use cases, business applications, and tools. Therefore, visit a4biz.co if you're unsure of how to apply AI to your company. Okay, let's move on to tool number 3. Promptvine.com. The best tea-related PD prompt items and resources are gathered here. Therefore, click this link's Discover button. By the way, you can also submit other prompts here for charity. Your input, or the quality of your product, determines the quality of your output. Consequently, you can choose from the following categories for both your profession and your product. You can browse several goods if you click on professions. For example, if you want to use ChatGPT as a designer. In my situation, I frequently use this site to hunt for marketing. See if there is a marketer out there. I can now view a variety of prompts. This financial advisor is acting as an advertisement, allowing you to filter by a variety of occupations or categories. Let's assume that there is an issue with creative writing. This is for you. Here are some various ChatGPT prompts that you may use. Read this and feel free to modify it to fit your niche and particular use case. In order to discover the greatest prompt for ChatGPT, visit promptvine.com.ok. On to number 4. It's created by mage.space, where you can also create art and access great websites like DALL-E 2, Mid, Stable Diffusion, and other great ones. This tool is an image and AI picture generator. Say I want a female Terminator robot, for example. I'll click this now. Why not? Then it decides, let me actually refresh this website because I think I had this open for a while and I'm just going to see a black cat with glasses. Let's enjoy ourselves. A new graphic for Meet in a Minute is then being generated. It says, oh, there you are, notice the S. That is awesome. Not only that, but you can also click Explore to see what other people have created. For example, if you want to make something similar to this, you can use the prompt that was used here to return to the Mage tool. And guess what? You can also use this prompt in other image generators and generating tools. Okay, I believe tool number 5 is chadoc.com. This is incredible. Using AI, you can communicate with your document. So what happens if you don't want to read a loan document? To save time and receive your answer, you can upload such documents here and then simply chat with the document. So allow me to quickly demonstrate. There are a few documents here, so I'm going to click Get Started. I'll choose one of these documents as a result. This document is really lengthy, I tell you. So it has to do with the MLM's professional text mining. Who has the time to read this then? What I can do is ask, What's the summary of this document? And then, here you go, it generates a quick summary of this document. And not just a summary, you can ask specific questions using this tool. Very, very cool too. And it will answer that specific question in that document. Okay, the seventh tool is right there. I think its name is scriptify.com.video. Scripts can be created in a matter of seconds. Let's take the example of me creating a video on how to prepare chicken tikka. Please include some keywords below if I can spell this correctly. And that's, consider that I want to create a script first, then a 30-second video. Creating scripts might take a long time when you're making videos. AI can also cause problems for people at times. This is for you. So here's a recipe that will walk me through every step. And for this reason, I just used a culinary film as an example. Any video you choose from this site will be provided with a script based on its length, 60-second, 30-second, etc. Awesome. This can then be copied and added to your description. You can also include this in your description if you make YouTube videos. Right. You can also create videos and post them to your social media networks if this is your script. Now let's move on to number 8. It appears to be journeyplan.co AI can be used to organize your travel. Let's say that I am traveling to New York. How long will I remain there after that? What is my budget? $2,000? Exactly, why not? What kind of cuisine do I not really like? Not a drinker at all? And where do I want to stay after that? Consider hotels. Consequently, it will ask you many questions. There is no date constraint, and depending on your responses, I like to take preventative measures before organizing my trip. Consequently, based on your preferences, it will ask you about a variety of trips. What hobbies do you have? What are your plans? How many days will you be away from home? What is your budget as well? Give it a few seconds, and it will then give you a thorough journey. You know, the planning stage always takes the longest whenever I take my family on a trip. Hey, I don't want to go if someone else is doing all the planning, I think to myself on occasion. However, take a day-by-day approach to this. It will give you the plan hour by hour based on your preferences. How much time would this save you and how awesome is it? Of course, you don't have to adhere to this exactly. However, it still offers you a really solid framework and a solid outline that you can use as is or change as necessary. Okay, on to number 9, tweet generator generocuafano.repel.co. This URL is lengthy, so take your time reading it or copying it. It will then produce tweet storms depending on the subject. Say, for example, that I want to write some tweets about productivity. It's a tool that will generate several tweet storms for you in a flash that you can use on Twitter by just copying and pasting them. Therefore, these are actually very, very good. So if you want to make tweets about a certain subject, utilize this tool. Again, the 3- generator, which you can access from this page. Let's move on to number 10. Microsoft also offers this incredible AI tool at designer.microsoft.com. You may make social media designs with words. I'll write a piece about the opening of my new gym, for instance. Make an Instagram post as a result. That is my text command or directive to this tool. Please observe the results. Once I click generate, the AI will start to come up with various ideas for Instagram posts. Consider this. This is wonderful, my goodness. It will therefore save you a ton of money. Additionally, some of these videos resemble animations or other videos. You move, it's a different one. Let's assume that I do like this one, in which case I can click here, after which I can alter this design. I can also use different templates when customizing. The fonts and colors are editable. I can also alter my mind and try new things at any time if I so choose. Okay, this one also works for us. So the AI was basically a text block depending on my input. I'm done now. I kept quiet after that. After that, it produced for me social media graphics that I can use across all platforms. Okay, now before you like and share this video so that more people can see it, if you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below.